Assalamu alaikum. I'm Amina Hanif from Punjab. I'm working as a professional graphic designer and freelancer. I have completed 30 plus successful orders and currently working with 15 plus national and international clients. I gained my skills from Bushra SN Foundation, such as graphic designing, video editing, IT and English communication tracks. I offer creative design services on social platforms like Facebook, Fiverr, LinkedIn, Dribble, and actively share my work on YouTube and TikTok. I'm very thankful to Allah. All credit goes to the Bushra SN Foundation, where I developed my skill base, communication, confidence, and growing mindset. This is really a life-changing institute. Join the champions force.